Here is a quick tutorial on how to interlock dreadlocks with crochet lash hook without products, either gels or oils. So first of all, you create your parts, or you knitting your parts around the lock, and then you wrap any loose hair around the lock, and then you take your crochet lash hook and put in the opposite direction of your last rotation. That means if you took from top to bottom in your last rotation, this time you will take from the left to the right, which you see me do. So we are doing the 3-point rotation now, and you see how I started from the other side, and we are going to make our last placement from top to bottom to create that falling effect. And that is how to make a clean interlock maintenance. Thanks for watching. Bye.